Morning ma'am and my dear friends, I am Ananya from 5th C. Today I have made a model related to the sustainable management of water resources. Sustainable management of water resources means using the water in such a way that is current ecological, economic and social need without compromising to meet the ability to do of those needs in the future. Water is essence. Water is beneficial. Water is the elixir of life and over around us, said by the famous author. So today here I am going to share the two techniques of sustainable management of water resources using this model. My first technique is rainwater harvesting. Do you know the roof of your house can give 1 lakh liter pure water every year? Yes, the roof of your house can give 1 lakh liter pure water every year. When the rain falls, the water goes to drainage and gets wasted. We can reuse that water by a simple technique called rooftop harvesting. This technique works like that. The roof of your house should be joined with the pipes in the percolation pit so that when the rain will fall, the water will go to the percolation pit through these pipes. After that, it will go underground and recharge the level of the water. From this, we can take the water and use it throughout the year. Or directly, the roof of a house should be joined to the pipes to the well of house, and then we can use it. So this was a model of reuse and recycle of rainwater. My second technique is wastewater management. The wastewater which is coming out from washing machine and wasting gets wasted. We can reuse that water by a simple technique called wastewater management. The wastewater which is coming out from washing machine and wasting should be carried in the mixing tank. In the mixing tank, alum is added, which will purify the wastewater to some extent. After that, the water will go to the filter bed for other procedure. In filter bed, there are some sand and stone which will purify the water. After that, the purified water will go in the storage tank. In the storage tank, we can store the water and use it for toilet flushing and for gardening through connecting the pipes. Wait, do you know by one more technique we can save the water? We all know that when we water the plants directly from the pipe, a large amount of water gets wasted. We can save that water by a technique called drip irrigation.